latest news from Hong Kong's Qingdao network, it is known that the fire department on the island said that as of 10:30, the earthquake has killed at least one person, and many others died, more than 50 people.
That took this video is okay. 里面有没有人？赶快离开！
According to official measurements of the China Seismic Network, at 7:58 a.m. on April 3rd, 2024, an earthquake with a magnitude of 7.3 on the Richter scale occurred in the waters of Hualien District, Taiwan Province, China, at coordinates 23.81 degrees north and 121.74 degrees east, longitude, with a focal length of 12 kilometers.
This is some video from inside building. You can see the force of the shaking here. Thankfully, the person that took this video is okay.
Shit. Ano ka?
倒了，房子倒了，歪了，房子歪了，房子歪了。里面有没有人？赶快离开！重的地震，康方。
The aftermath of the biggest earthquake in Taiwan.
哦，你哪家里？我的车在这边。